Hi you guys, this is Allison coming at you from my Space to Craft, and I'm pretty excited. I got in my first ever Mercy Tiara Kit. I just signed up a little late to the party. I had been looking for some different kits to sign up for subscriptions, and some of them seemed kind of big or repetitive, or just partial pieces of ephemera and things like that. And so I've seen several people working with Mercy Tiara kits, and the thing I liked about it is that it included some cut files and some unique things. And so I even though it was the middle of the month, I went in, they were already sold out of March kits. So I sent an email to the owners, and they responded really quickly and put me on the wait list. And then I got a note that they had one extra kit, so they could include me for March and not make me wait until April. So I'm pretty excited. It just came in a couple of days ago, and now I was able to open it. I have not opened it at all. I did, when I first purchased it, you can download some cut files. So there is a cut file that says Dream Big. That's the theme for this month. And then there are these, and obviously you can change the size of these when you print them, but some little labels, and they come in different colors that match the kit, and they give you a color palette for the kit. So that's pretty cool to help you figure out which oxide colors or whatever are gonna match your kit. So that is neat. You get a little newsletter that shows the kit and a planning tool for how to plan to use your kit. So this is products in the kit that speak to me, stories to tell this month, list of photos to take or find, techniques to try, tools and stash items that I need to use, and ephemeras. So that's pretty cool. Here are the Dream Big color palette. This kit is $40, and then, oh look, and then place for sketches, and then journaling ideas, and a free sketch. So it's $40. It's a little expensive for me because I'm in the US and not Canada. It ships from Canada, and so my shipping, I think, is $15 a month. But even with that extra shipping, I'm excited to support a small business and to try it at least for a few months and see if I can make use of it. So let's get started and see what's inside. Also, they sent me some cute stickers. I love the little narwhals. And this says, today is going to be a great day. So, fun stickers. All right, and let's excuse the paper ruffling. All right, I'm gonna remove the paper ruffle. All right, so let's open this up and see what's in here. Lots of goodies. So a lot of you may already have seen an unboxing of this, since lots of people already have it, and they probably did it at the beginning of the month. But I thought I would go ahead and do it also. Oh, so this is nice. So you get a little thing of string, and you know, when you buy it yourself, you get a huge amount. You can never use all of the twine that you get. So the nice thing about some of these clubs is getting a few small things. So that's cute. All right, let's start with the papers. This is really cute. Spring colors and trees. This is from Poppy and Pear. The Poppy and Pear collection by B. Valiant, and a beautiful pink tone-on-tone polka dot. A beautiful spring floral. also the Poppy and Pear collection. And the back side is this almost a periwinkle blue or a cornflower blue, or is it coneflower? But it's beautiful. The houses, I've seen lots of people do some fun things with the houses. Fun to fussy cut or do a strip at the bottom for time at home, also from the Poppy and Pear collection. And the back side is a beautiful lilac background with white daisies. Very useful. Also from Be Valiant American Crafts, black and white great background paper. And a black and white floral, or cream, I guess, a cream and black floral that you could color in. If you do watercolors, I'm not great at that, but maybe, we'll see. This looks like peonies or roses, Rainbow Avenue collection, also American Crafts. Celeste Gonzalo is the designer. Pink background, lots of different colors. Ooh, a beautiful watercolory yellow to orange paper. I think this speaks to me more than this one, and would be great for sunset photos or something like that. Oh, Poppy and Pear, the pears, very cute, and a really useful yellow, kind of a chevron, yellow and white. Here are the Poppy and Pear cut-aparts. And these are really, I like the variety in here. I can really see me using this. It's got hearts, it's got strawberries, it's got pears, it's got pens and papers for something maybe school related. So it doesn't scream Valentine's, it doesn't scream Easter. It's just some really useful journaling boxes and things like that. And then the back side is a really fun pinks and yellows and mustardy checks. Oh, this is a pretty floral. White background with a floral on it. Seems like it would be pretty easy to use, even though it's a little busy. And then this fun triple stripe on here that you could use this way, or you could take a section like this to use on your paper. So pretty useful, both sides of that. A beautiful rainbow stripe from Pebbles Cool Girl collection. I love a rainbow stripe. And the back side is that same, almost that, even though this is a different collection, it's almost that same periwinkle blue that we had. Look at that. Almost the same color, but with pink stars on it. Really cute. Ooh, and look, even the designer strip, super useful. This is fun. This is from the same Pebbles collection. A really fun, bright floral with that purplish blue background. So all the colors, just to see those together. And teeny tiny rainbows, which would make a good background page. Oh, this is cute. This is little black drawn hearts on, or outlines on white. Really cute. And this is Rainbow Avenue from American Crafts, and then some 2x2 cut-aparts, which are really cute. And again, not specific to Easter or Valentine's or a specific season, but really useful. Cute birds that you could even cut apart. camera, rainbows, really nice. Oh, this is a great background sheet. Kind of a notebook paper, but it's got a pink hue to it. And on the back side, this is from Rainbow Avenue, and this is tags and banners that you can cut apart. Really cute. Sad thing is you would lose the ledger part of it, but you could still use, you could easily do like a half and half and still keep part of this ledger paper and then use some of these tags. Ideas, ideas. So those are the papers. Now let's look at all of the other goodies that come with this. These are some fun stamps. In fact, they feel like real stamps in pink tones, and some fun tickets, admit one, tickets in the yellow. These are Cool Girl thickers that come from one of these collections, the Pebbles Cool Girl. And they're pink thickers, and they include the numbers, so that's nice. Simple Stories completely, totally match the collection, even though it's from a different collection. And these are glitter enamel dots, so that's fun. I don't think I have too many glitter enamel dots. Here's some more tickets. And these are perforated, so you can really separate them and use them in multiple places. And these stickers are from American Crafts, and I'm not seeing the Sending Love. And so there just are some cute little ephemera, Capture Every Memory, You Are a Rainbow, Coffee Time, that's cute. So just sort of some generic puffy stickers. Oh, here are some wooden hearts. That's really cute. I have some big wooden hearts, but I don't have any of these little tiny ones. So these are a nice color. They'll be easy to use markers or even glossy accents or something to change the color on that. And then some ephemera. So let's go, we'll go quickly through this ephemera. You guys don't need to be here forever with me. So Dream Big. And I have looked at the cut aparts, and one says Dream Big, and it's like a fill-in cut file. Some tags, loves, all the pretty things, and that's a frame that would make a great shaker card. Some tickets, tag, color swatches. And these are from the Be Valiant Poppy and Pear. Some little banners, tags, hearts. That's cute. Little stacked. You Totally Can. Haha, play on words, Pear. We make quite the pair. Magical Moment, kind of an orange. So a nice variety of color, a nice variety of shapes. I'm sorry, my dogs are going crazy. I'm really liking that. It's not all pink. There is a lot of pink in this. Oh, look, that has a I think this will be too big. Oh no. So you can put a little note in there. That's cute. So I'm liking the variety in shapes and colors. Some nice banners. I've been using a lot of banners lately. I'm liking them. And these are perforated. And then the smaller ephemera here. Make some room. Scoot all this over. This is on vellum. Quite a few of these. Oh, and these pop out. Little strawberries and hearts. Cutie. I like the color on that. Me time. These are all vellum. Feeling love. Those little pencils. That's really cute. Grateful. There's a little clear circle. A bow. Love. This one's a little stuck. A little wreath. That's beautiful. And then some more smaller range ephemera. Let's scoot this over. Little pop out. Here's some little vellum hearts. Some more punch outs, frames. On the agenda, that's cute. Perfect day. So I feel like this is a well-curated kit. I think I might be missing one thing that I saw some other people get, and that may just be because I was so late. And that is some wax, little circles, wax things. But I'm sure I'll be getting the more complete package in April. I'm just really glad that I could get in on the fun. So I'm going to look forward to making some pages, and I will post process videos to show hopefully some good pages in the future. So thanks a lot. And I will include a link to Mercy Tiara in the description below the video. Thanks, you guys.